Hey, guy with a striped shirt here. So before we even get into anything else, I'm just gonna talk about the price right now. It's $29.95 on Amazon. If you actually go on their website, it's a little bit more. It's like 44 and some change or something like that. I'll put that up right here. It's kind of weird. So if you are gonna buy this, get it off of Amazon for sure. So in comparison to some other wallets like the Fathom or Phantom or whatever it's called, or the Ridge wallet, which is what I was actually looking at buying instead of this, this is actually really nicely priced. It's not the same as the style of it, but as far as slim wallets go, I'm hoping that this is gonna be nice. So without further ado, let's go over to the table and take a look at this a little bit closer. All right, so initial thoughts when I'm first just looking at the packaging, boom. It looks good, right? It's obviously cardboard, but texture is really nice on there. This is like embossed on here and everything. So, I mean, 30 bucks, still not bad for just the outer packaging. Then on the back, it's got some labeling here. Okay, designed in Germany, made in China. So, if that makes a difference for you, that's cool. It makes no difference for me though. All right, let's get into the meat and potatoes. Ooh, all right, okay, so upon first inspection, this is nice. Like, dang, it feels good. I got this in, ooh, all right. It feels super light. Travel accessories. Let's see here, got our mission, who we are type deal. That's cool. Travel accessories. Then they got the website on the back, Facebook and all that. So boom, basic stuff, right? Let's jump into this. Got a little holder card if I can get the dang thing out. Ooh, okay. And a little Travando card. Only 1 in 500 customers leaves a review. That's okay, so do with that as you will. It even tells you to register on Amazon, so okay, I'm guessing they know that probably a majority of their sales are coming from Amazon. They actually put something in there. They gave you a little bit of story with it. For some people that doesn't mean anything, but to me it does. It makes a difference for like how I feel connected to a brand and everything like that. But again, whew. Okay, now let's move over to some specifics. So first of all, this is not a real leather. It's actually a faux leather that they boast about on the website. Actually, if you look at the details and everything in their comments, they say it's a faux leather. They actually say a vegan leather, and they kind of boast about it, and they're saying this is a good thing. To me, again, it doesn't make a difference in the world. Like, does it feel good? Does it look good? Does it do what it's supposed to do for me? That's all I really care about. If that makes a difference for you, then there you go. That knowledge is there. These actually do come in 9 different colors. So if this isn't what you're actually looking for, or you just don't like this color, then maybe one of the other 9 choices or 8 choices actually is something that you might be interested in. So this is actually a 4.7 inch by 3 inch wallet. I just slid it in my pocket really quick just to see before I told you guys. It fits fine. It fits perfectly fine. So that's cool. While I have this here, I want to actually take a quick look at the branding as well. This here feels like it's really on here. This emblem here looks like it feels really good on there. And I also just want to point out here on the money clip, I don't know if you can see it, but that's also another brand there. Hey guys, so real quick while we're looking at this money clip, I just wanted to say that money clip actually will stop some of the cards from pushing down, so you have to give it a little bit extra oomph to it before it actually does go all the way in, just so you know. As well, which again, attention to detail for me is just one of those things I really enjoy. So it says that you're supposed to be able to fit 7 cards in there, and this front little piece here is supposed to be where you put your main card. You're supposed to just slide it up. Whoa, damn, that actually worked pretty well. You're supposed to just slide it up, and then I'm guessing you can put, oh yeah, and then you got 3 and 3 on each side, so you got 6 cards there, 7 cards total. All right, so that's going to be it for this one, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful in some type of way for you making your next purchase decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because I hope to see you guys in the future. My girlfriend said I was dressed like a little kid today because I got on a striped shirt. I think your boy out here dripping. I think I'm out here.